You think all dent repair companies are the same? When your vehicle needs hail damage repair, no one has a simpler process. Nexterra Solutions makes the repair process worry-free and convenient by bringing the repairs right to you. Our seasoned technicians will arrive at your doorstep and complete repairs the same day. Need a rental? In the event you need a vehicle for the day or have other repairs scheduled at one of our certified repair facilities, Nexterra will schedule the rental car on your behalf. Our personal concierge service will happily coordinate the pickup and delivery of your vehicle. Our goal is to deliver the ultimate claims experience without the hassle of traditional methods. All repairs are backed with a national lifetime warranty. Not only do you receive a lifetime warranty from Nexterra, but all of our repairs are backed by your insurance. And don't worry, all vehicles are disinfected prior to and post-repair with Resistal Purify. This product sanitizes, disinfects, and deodorizes on the spot. It can be applied to seats, headliners, seatbelts, mats, and other surfaces drivers come into contact with daily. The application can be completed in about 20 minutes, leaving behind a fresh, clean scent. Now more than ever, a germ-free vehicle is vital. Purify provides peace of mind to drivers, ensuring that their vehicle's interior has been completely disinfected. Again, thank you for making your appointment with us, and we look forward to assisting you with your claim.